Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another Dutch whiteboard lesson. In this lesson you'll learn how to introduce your family members in Dutch. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. Here I've set out the structure of the nuclear family in terms of how each member relates to one another. At the top we have the parents. Moeder or mother, vader or father. Moeder, moeder. Vader, vader. Now, if the parents are a married couple, they will also be a wife and a husband. Vrouw, wife. Man, husband. Vrouw, vrouw. Man, man. Let's look at the children. Dochter or daughter. Zoon or son. Dochter, dochter. Zoon, zoon. Daughter and son are, of course, also each other's siblings. Zus or sister. Broer or brother. Zus, zus. Broer, broer. You can now place yourself at any point within this family structure and refer to the other members. Let's look at the dialogue. Say two colleagues are chatting in an office and one notices a photograph on the other's desk. Wie is dit? Who's this? Dit is mijn vrouw. This is my wife. Wie is dit? Dit is mijn vrouw. Now let's look at some more examples. Dit is mijn moeder. This is my mother. Dit is mijn moeder. Dit is mijn dochter. This is my daughter. Dit is mijn dochter. As you can see, the sentence pattern for introducing a family member is straightforward. Dit is mijn family member. Just as in English, this is my family member. In Dutch, the standard words for wife and husband, vrouw and man, can also simply mean woman and man. However, if you use the sentence pattern you've just learned, it will be clear to the listener that you are referring to your wife or husband. Do you remember how to say mother, moeder, moeder, and how to say my mother? Mijn moeder. Mijn moeder. Do you remember how to say, this is my mother? Dit is mijn moeder. Dit is mijn moeder. And how to say father? vader. Vader. Do you remember how to say wife? Vrouw. Vrouw. And how to say husband? Man. Man. Do you remember how to say daughter? Dochter. Dochter. And how to say son? Zoon. Zoon. Do you remember how to say sister? Zus. Zus. And do you remember how to say brother? Broer. Broer. In this lesson, you learned how to introduce your family members in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas, and I will see you again on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.